All right, let me just start this rant because I know it's going to piss some people off about uh, today's economic stimulus package and how it's working for all of us. With jobs in the toilet and money not coming in like it was, uh, I think entertainment and jobs should never be criticized. So if you don't like the bikini baristas, don't go. But if you do like the bikini baristas, then that's fine. It's cheap entertainment. You know, you can take you and your brother and your cousin and your son all to the bikini barista and get a coffee. Tip her well. She's earning a living by having a job, and she's not standing in an unemployment line, collecting unemployment dollars that could be used for people who don't have jobs. So, I mean, stay off the bikini barista. Let her just continue to work. That's great. Anybody who has a job, creates a job, makes a job, she should stay working, or he should stay working. If there's men bikini baristas, great. You know, if you want them to change the name to burlesque barista, that's fine. So it defines actually where you're going. Because sometimes they're only wearing their bikini bottoms and maybe some pasties or some of that paint that you put on. Big deal. I watched that show on E called The Girls Next Door, and there is far more nudity on that show, and it doesn't warn you nothing about what's going to happen. It's just called The Girls Next Door, but they digitized the smallest area of indecent areas on the body, and the rest is just pure nude. So if somebody has a job and it's entertainment for you or other people, it creates work, keeps people out of the unemployment line, and there might be some semi-nudity involved, big deal. It's 2009, people. This is not where people wear leggings down to their ankles and sleeves to their wrists and have to wear a hat and their hair in a bun. So anyway, if they got a job and they're keeping their job, that's fine. Leave the bikini baristas alone. If you don't like it, don't go.